As women, our bodies go through constant shifts, especially when it comes to hormones and energy. If you've been feeling fatigued, out of balance, or like your body just isn't functioning the way it used to, you're not alone. And the good news, nature has powerful solutions. In today's episode, I explore 5 powerhouse herbs that can help reset your hormones, support natural detox, and reclaim your energy just in time for spring. So friend, if you're ready to power up with the power of herbs, then grab a notebook and pen and let's dive in. Hey friend, welcome to Integrative Medicine for Energy and Health. Are you struggling with low energy, excessive weight, chronic fatigue, imbalanced hormones, or body aches and pains that are robbing you of enjoying life? If you're ready to take the guesswork out of living a healthier life, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rekishia. I'm a mom, honorably retired Air Force veteran, award-winning author, social worker, and Christian alternative medicine provider. For years, I tried improving my health through conventional medicine and nothing worked until I finally found a simple strategy that was easy and fun. This podcast will provide you with natural ways to increase energy, lose weight, regulate hormones, and improve your mood. If you're ready to live, look, and feel better, grab your favorite cup of herbal tea and let's jump in. Welcome to Integrative Medicine for Energy and Health, the podcast where faith meets function and wellness becomes a lifestyle. I'm your host, Rekishia McMillan, and whether you're tuning in for the first time or you're a faithful listener, I am so glad that you're here. Women from all walks of life are listening to this podcast because they're ready to feel better, live healthier, and tap into the strength that comes from combining faith with holistic wellness. Here we talk about real solutions for real issues like low energy, hormonal imbalances, weight gain, and emotional burnout, and how to heal naturally from the inside out. This week, we're diving into powerhouse herbs that support hormonal balance and boost energy. Perfect for the spring season, a time of renewal, refreshment, and restoration. And speaking of spring, our Spring Cleanse and Refresh group is in full bloom. Women are already seeing powerful results, shedding weight, reclaiming their energy, and rebalancing hormones through clean eating, plant-based nutrition, and daily habits rooted in grace and discipline. If you missed this round, don't worry. Our next group kicks off on May the 5th, and our theme is Move More May, a month focused on moving our bodies with purpose and joy. Spaces are filling up quickly, so be sure to click on the link in today's show notes to sign up. With that being said, grab your cup of tea or lace up those sneakers because we're getting ready to get into some powerful herbs that your body and hormones will love. Before becoming a health coach, I honestly didn't know much about the power of herbs, especially when it came to hormones and energy. I was focused on eating better and moving my body, but there was a whole world of healing that I just hadn't tapped into yet. The first herb that really opened my eyes was dandelion root. I found out that it wasn't just a pesky weed, but a healing herb. I started drinking it in the form of a tea, and immediately I noticed a shift. My energy was more stable throughout the day. I felt lighter, like inflammation had lifted, and I just felt good in my body. That was the beginning of my journey into herbal support, and now I want to share some of the powerhouse herbs that I believe can truly benefit your health too. The first one, as I shared, is dandelion root, and this is what I like to call the liver, love, and hormone harmony herb. And so, as I mentioned, this was my gateway herb, and dandelion root is so amazing because it supports our liver detoxification, and the liver is key to balancing hormones. And when our liver is sluggish, that excess estrogen can get trapped in our body, leading to those mood swings, bloating, and fatigue. And a happy liver means a more balanced hormonal state, making you feel lighter and having brighter energy. So you can enjoy dandelion in the form of a tea, usually 1 to 2 cups daily because it's gentle and highly effective. The second powerhouse herb is ashwagandha. I like to call this the stress soother. And if you deal with stress or anxiety or burnout, and what woman doesn't, ashwagandha is your friend. And it's an adaptogenic herb, meaning that it helps your body to adapt to stress. And it plays a role in supporting your adrenal glands, which have a big role in hormone production and energy regulation. Now, ashwagandha usually comes in capsules or in powders. I love adding it to smoothies or even making a golden turmeric milk. The third herb is maca root. This is the hormone booster and energy enhancer. And maca is a root from Peru that's known for naturally supporting estrogen and progesterone levels, especially helpful during the perimenopause and menopause stages of life. It also gives a nice, clean energy boost without the crash that comes from caffeine. I enjoy taking it by adding it to smoothies. You can even add it to your oatmeal, starting out with about 1 teaspoon. The fourth powerhouse herb is red raspberry leaf, also known for womb wellness. Now, this herb has been long used to support reproductive health because it's rich in nutrients like magnesium, iron, and calcium, and helps to support and tone the uterus. It's also wonderful for those painful periods, PMS. It even helps during postpartum recovery. You can brew it in the form of a tea. It's very gentle enough for you to use on a daily basis. The one thing that I love about this herb is that it is rich in magnesium. And magnesium deficiency is prevalent during perimenopause and menopause. I want to invite you to listen to podcast episode 195, where I talk about hormonal imbalance and signs of magnesium deficiency in women and 3 natural solutions. The fifth and the final herb is holy basil, also known as tulsi. This herb is known for providing peaceful energy and blood sugar balance. Holy basil is also another adaptogen that helps to reduce stress and supports the body's blood sugar levels. And when your blood sugar is stable, your hormones are more stable and your energy doesn't crash. It also has a calming effect on the mind and the body, which we all need. I enjoy tulsi in the form of a tea. I usually drink this every morning. You can also have it in the evening as a ritual to unwind and to reset your body. For a deeper dive into holy basil or tulsi, I want to invite you to listen to podcast episode 242, where I talk about 4 powerful benefits of holy basil for women's wellness. So let's wrap it all up. Incorporating these herbs isn't about doing everything at once. It's about listening to your body and adding what it needs. Start with just 1. Maybe dandelion tea in the morning or a bit of maca in your smoothie. Herbs are a gift from God, natural, powerful, and created with intention to help us heal. When paired with clean eating, movement, and faith, they help us step into that vibrant health that we were designed for. Don't forget, our Spring Cleanse and Refresh group is still going strong, and women are experiencing real transformation. If you missed it, don't worry, because our Move More May starts on May the 5th, and I'd love to walk with you on your journey to health and healing. We'll be focusing on physical activity, joyful movement, and energizing our bodies from the inside out. I'll leave you with Genesis 1:29. Behold, I have given you every plant yielding seed that is on the face of all the earth, and every tree with seed in its fruit. You shall have them for food. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If so, would you take 30 seconds and share it with a friend who may want to have more energy and improve their health naturally? Also, I would love it if you could leave a quick review for the show on Apple Podcasts. It blesses me tremendously to know that this podcast is helping you. Alrighty then, it's time to go make a protein shake and go for a hike. No more days of feeling tired and drained. I'll see you in a few days for another episode. God bless.